Welcome to the VSPAGY Editor feature tutorial, where we'll explore how to use template media in the VSPAGY Editor. We offer a repository for you to upload your own images, audios, and videos. This section is divided into two parts: template assets and global assets. In template assets, you can upload media files specifically intended for use in the current template. On the other hand, global assets contain files available for customization in every template you open. Think of it as a global repository. Upload images or add variable image feature to incorporate personalized images into the template. This allows you to upload unique images for each user listed in the Excel sheet when creating a project. Similarly, upload videos or add a personalized video. Shapes introduce a whole new realm of creativity. Add them to your canvas to create sections in the video or any way you prefer. Upload multiple music files and align their timings accordingly. If your template consists of multiple plots, you can assign different audio files based on the timing of each plot. Now it's your turn to delve into the capabilities of the VSPAGY editor. Thank you for watching.